Radio display. There is no certainty about the model of radio receiver that the survivors found among the luggage after several days. In the existing literature about this fact, it is said to be a Spica, which is why we have exhibited one similar to those used at that time. The wires are originals from an F227 and are similar to the ones used by the survivors to make a very long antenna. They were able to capture signals from Uruguayan radio stations, in spite of the distance and possibly due to the eastward orientation of the valley. On the 10th day in the mountains, this radio was the carrier of the terrible news that the search for the plane had been cancelled. Nevertheless, it was this same device that 2 months later brought the news that Fernando and Roberto had reached civilization. On that glorious day, Daniel and Eduardo went out very early in the morning, as they always did, to listen to the 7:30 news. When they turned on the device, there was a lot of static that day, and they could barely hear on the station fragments of words, among them Nessa, Rado. When changing stations, Ave Maria by Johann Sebastian Bach could clearly be heard, and Eduardo Strauch told Daniel Fernandez, "This is a sign." Since then, Ave Maria is associated with the story, and even the movie Alive ends with that melody.